Today, in this video, we will see about sorting of algorithm. Actually, sorting algorithm. It is basically sorting the array element. But interviewer will tell like you don't use any inbuilt method. Like we have a sort method that is inbuilt method, but you don't use that, and you just swap the or you just sort the given array. Okay. So array interviewer will give you. Okay. So we'll take any array. Suppose I have taken this array. Okay. Now we want to sort this without using any inbuilt method. For that, what we will do, we'll just see about logic. Like we'll take one for loop. In that, the value will be we need two for loop. Why? Because for first iteration of the element, we will check the value for all means with one element. We will check all element. For this, we will check all element. If required swapping, then we will swap it. Okay, like we are saying about we will find ascending order. That time we will check like 5 and 5 and 4, 5 and 3, 5 and 1, 5 and 2. For next I value, means if the index of I is 1, then the i's value will be 4. Then for this 4, we will check all these elements. So this way we will do. So let's get started our program. We required one function. Okay, but that function we will take arrow function. Okay, const I will give name, function name, that is arr sort equals to. Then uh, we required one argument here. Okay, here we require for loop. For let I equal to 0, then I less than arr dot length. This is very important interview question. The next is I plus plus. Okay, I have done it. I plus plus. Then next will be z will come into the loop. Okay, now in that we will take other for loop. Let j equals to 0, then j will be less than arr dot length. Then next is j plus plus. After that, after this, we will put one condition. Okay, so we will take here like if we want ascending, we require one variable. Okay, so we need to declare that variable. So I will take let swap. Okay, and here we will use like arr of j should be arr of j should be less than arr of I. Okay, should be less than arr of I. Then next will be if it is less, then we will take swap equals to arr of I. Why we require this? We'll tell you that thing. I should be, we need to put that value into arr of j. Okay, arr of j should be equals to swap. Here suppose we have not taken this and we directly put arr of j into I. So our last I value will get vanish. Okay, so the value will be same. So for that we will put arr of I into swap and arr of j. Now arr of I is empty. Okay, so j we will put into the I, and again the whatever the arr of I value will goes into the swap. Okay, so that value will again take into the, here will be a. Okay, not s. ARR of I, that means swap value will goes into the ARR of J. So this is simple logic, and we will take any ARR. So this argument we need to take, and it will return what? It will return value, means this loop will return a value like so sorry, this loop this function I'm telling, this function will return something, that is ARR. Okay, fine. Now we will invoke this function like we will console dot log like ARR sort. In that we will pass ARR. Okay, this we will pass. Okay, so we'll see output. uh, Output should be 1 2 3 4. Okay, so ascending order we want. Okay, we have taken this less than, suppose I have taken greater than, so output will be 1 2 3 4. Okay, this way. So this way we can do ascending and descending sorting. Okay, once again I will explain the things like first we have taken this one loop, that is for variable is I, and in that variable we, for one element, this whole comparison should take, that's why I have taken other loop. Okay, so after that we have swapping logic here. Suppose it is greater than J, means I is greater than J is greater than I, then that time there will be the we will put current value of I is here, and the J will be into the I, and whatever the I value we have kept into the J will goes into ARR of J. Okay, like suppose I will give one example. Suppose for I equal to index is 0. Okay, so that means this 5 index is 0. So for that J will be first of all 4, 4 is less than 5. Okay, for this case 4 is less than 5. In that for J equal to 1, so there will not be swapping. Then for J equal to 2, there is a comparison between 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 and 4, for 3 and 4 there will not be swapping. And suppose J equal to 3, then value will be 1. Okay, J equal to 3, 0 1 2 3. For J equal to 3, value will be 1 is less than 3. No, so swapping will not take. Okay, so I mean swapping will not done. The things will remain same. And for last, that is 5 and sorry, for last that is a value 2 and 1. It's 2, 2 is less than 1. No, then there will be swapping. So this way that logic, this way the logic is there. And by in simple words, or in simple way, I have explained this program, and this is very important for interview. For Infosys, I have asked this question, so you just do prepare well. And thank you so much.